Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. This is Ramita and I make makeup related videos. So I have created this look. This is basically emerald smoky eye look for today's video, and I really kind of like this look. It's sultry, it's smoky, it's so if you want to know how I created this look, please continue watching. So I'm starting off with priming my face, and for that I'm using this Colorbar Perfect Match Primer and putting that on my T-zone where I sweat and all over my face as well. After that I'm using this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer, and I'm in the shade 05 Warm Beige, and I'm just putting the foundation and then blending it out with this fluffy brush, and after that I'm going in with the second layer of the foundation and blending that out with this pack beauty blender so that I could get a more coverage. And this is such a beautiful beauty blender, it just blends the foundation like magic. And after that I'm going in with the concealer. This is the usual Fit Me concealer and I'm in the shade medium, and then I'm gonna conceal my under eye area around my mouth, chin, basically wherever I have pigmentation, and I'm gonna blend that out with this beauty blender. And after that, to set my face, I'm using this luxury powder from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just gonna set the concealed areas. I'm not gonna bake. I prefer setting my face over than baking, and I'm setting my lids as well. After that, for bronzing up my face, I'm using this Loreal Glam bronze, and I'm just gonna bronze it up to have that structured face, chiseled face. And yeah, and I'm contouring my jawline as well with the same brush, and contouring my nose too with this tapered brush. It gives more precise application. After that I'm going in with the same blush, Maybelline one, and for my eyes I'm gonna use the same bronzer for my transition shade, and I'm buffing that on my crease. Yes. And after that I'm gonna be using this City Mini palette. This is in the variant Urban Jungle from Maybelline, and I'm taking this dark green shade, and with my fluffy brush I'm just gonna place it on the outer corners and just blend that out, just blending the shade. After that I'm going in with this shimmery green shade, and again placing it on the outer corners and blending it out. And I'm using this Revlon single eyeshadow in the shade khaki. This is very nice emerald kind of a shade, and I'm just placing it on my middle part of my lids, just on the middle part, and then just blending it out with my fingers. And for inner part of my lid I'm using this shimmery olive shade and patting that on with this flat brush. And after that I'm just placing that Revlon khaki shade again on the middle part, and just blending the harsh edges with this clean fluffy brush. After that, for my brow bone and for inner corners I'm using this champagne shade, and for the lower lash line I'm using this same dark green shade and blending it out. For highlight I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in molten gold, and I am highlighting my high points of my face, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, cheekbones, Yeah, now I have put falsies off camera, and as well as my eyebrows are also done. And for my lips, I'm going in with this nude nuance lipstick by Maybelline, and finishing off the look with some fixing spray. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Just let it go, your struggles won't